Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about a common Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC. Today the code I'll be talking about is P0496. If you haven't stopped by a store for a free O'Reilly Veriscan diagnostic test, it's a simple way to get a full readout and recommendations that could help with diagnosis and repair. Technically speaking, OBD2 fault code P0496 means Evaporative Emission System High Purge Flow. In practical terms, this means the evaporative emissions or EVAP system on your vehicle, which is designed to capture, store, and purge raw fuel vapors, is experiencing abnormally high purge volume. This means that fuel vapors are being purged from the system when they likely shouldn't be, which can cause the vehicle to run rich or perform poorly. As a result, besides a check engine light, you may experience decreased engine performance or have trouble starting your vehicle because of the excess accumulation of fuel vapors in your engine. The possible causes of this code include issues with your EVAP system's purge solenoid or purge valve, EVAP hoses or fuel pressure sensor, your powertrain control module, a shorted wire or poor electrical connection, your purge flow sensor, or charcoal canister. Even though your vehicle will still run and you may not even notice any symptoms, it's important to have this code diagnosed as soon as possible to avoid more serious issues down the road. Since the cause of this code can vary from one vehicle to the next, we recommend starting with an O'Reilly Veriscan report. We also have additional resources on our How-To Hub to help you diagnose these and other symptoms. If you're not sure where to start on this repair, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop in your area to help you determine which of the possible issues have caused the code or codes and what your course of action should be. If the necessary repair is one you think you can do yourself, we can get you the parts and supplies you need to get it done right. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store. Visit O'ReillyAuto.com or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.